Hey, Innovation Beat fans! Are you ready for an epic showcase from the world of forestry technology? Today, we're bringing you a thrilling display of powerful, heavy machinery. From the roar of chainsaws to the might of modern harvesters, get ready to witness the cutting-edge tech driving the lumber industry to new heights. Join us as we dive into breathtaking moments and witness the ultimate strength of advanced machinery. Let's get this show started. Today, we're taking you into the powerful world of wood crushers. Get ready to witness the impressive fusion of modern technology and incredible strength in heavy machinery, from massive crushing machines to the most advanced wood processing systems. In mere seconds, large tree trunks are transformed into wood chips, delivering outstanding efficiency for the lumber industry. Join us as we explore and experience the true power of these mechanical beasts. The wood-splitting machines are working tirelessly, transforming large logs into smaller pieces, ready for various uses. With sharp blades and impressive power, each log fed into the machine is quickly split into neat, uniform wood pieces. Thanks to their durability and high precision, these wood splitters not only boost productivity, but also save significant time and effort in the production process. They truly are the hard-working workers of the lumber industry. The job of a timber truck driver is one of immense danger and challenge. To transport wood across rugged winding roads or steep mountain passes, drivers must have excellent driving skills and quick reflexes. Each trip demands not only caution but also patience, as long distances with heavy loads always come with significant risks. To succeed in this profession, drivers need extensive experience, technical knowledge, and the ability to handle emergencies. This is truly a challenging career, meant for those with courage and resilience. This spacious and long truck not only provides ample space for transporting goods, but also features a powerful engine with high horsepower. Equipped with a crane and gripping claw, it can easily handle heavy-duty tasks. With its robust design and superior performance, the vehicle can operate continuously for long periods without any issues. This makes it an ideal tool for construction and forestry jobs, where transporting and handling heavy materials is essential. With the development of modern factories and advanced machinery, the tasks of debarking, rounding, and cutting wood into planks have become easier than ever, saving significant labor and time. In the past, these tasks required substantial manual effort, often done with basic tools that were time-consuming and involved various risks. Today, automated and semi-automated machines designed specifically for debarking and cutting wood have made this process faster, more precise, and safer. Modern debarking machines can strip the outer layer of wood in seconds, while rounding and cutting machines create uniform, high-quality wood planks with impressive accuracy. Thanks to this technology, wood production efficiency has increased manifold, significantly reducing the manual labor required. The emergence of modern factories and advanced machinery has truly transformed the lumber industry, freeing people from strenuous work and delivering much higher efficiency.
¡Ole! ¡Porco dia!
These machines, equipped with short cranes and specialized gripping claws, make handling and transporting wood easier than ever. With flexible design and high power, they can securely clamp and move large logs with minimal effort. The short cranes allow quick maneuvering in tight spaces, while the sturdy gripping claws ensure that the wood remains stable and doesn't slip or roll during transport. This is truly an efficient solution for safe and quick wood transportation in the forestry industry. I'm certain this is the worst situation anyone would never want to experience, like you're gambling with your own life.
Yeah, you gotta bore cut them ones.
The Ponce Vicent is a marvel of modern forestry engineering. Its 8-wheel design provides exceptional stability and maneuverability, allowing it to navigate challenging terrain with minimal impact. The operator's cabin is ergonomically designed for comfort and efficiency, enhancing productivity while minimizing fatigue. Are you ready for some serious horsepower? Koga and Vincent Couture are about to show us what these trucks are truly capable of. Who do you think will come out on top? Witness the life cycle of a Douglas fir forest in action. This video takes you to Cheshire, Oregon, where a 38-year-old forest, planted in 1984, is now undergoing its first harvest. It's a fascinating look at how these magnificent trees are transformed into lumber, chips, and pulp, each destined for different industries. Truly a testament to sustainable forestry practices. Timber transport is a demanding and hazardous undertaking where risks are inherent and unavoidable. Maintaining vigilance in the workplace is crucial for ensuring the safety of oneself and others. This harvester operator momentarily forgot that, but fortunately, fate intervened. A heart-stopping incident that serves as a potent reminder.
Oh boy, this wind caught it.
You like simple but insanely powerful things. Feast your eyes on this. With a high mechanical advantage rigging system and a small 18 horsepower tractor, the magic of stump removal is complete.